So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to round up purchases to the nearest dollar on KOHO Financial. So once the KOHO Financial app's opened up, just go to the bottom right and press Explore. Then under Save, I want you to select RoundUps. So once you're on the roundups right here, you can go ahead and actually turn this feature on. So what this basically means is that anytime you make a purchase through KOHO, it's going to round up to the nearest dollar, $2, $5, $10, whatever you select. In this case, I'll just choose nearest dollar. So if you buy a bagel for $3 and 68 cents. Well, the remaining 32 cents is going to round up, so your purchase is actually $7, but 32 cents of that is going to be put into a savings account where you can then save up and earn interest on everyday purchases. So in this case, go ahead and press on Turn on Roundups. Once it's turned on right here, go to the top right, press the gear icon, and you can actually edit the roundup. So you can go to the nearest dollar, $2, $5, $10. In this case, if you want to just round it up to the nearest dollar, make sure that $1 is selected, and just go ahead and purchase. And you can see the savings accumulate over time this way. So that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how to round purchases to the nearest dollar on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.